Welcome back to Danny's Kitchen. Today's video is about how to prepare eggplants for cooking. Eggplants are a common ingredient in Indonesian food, but if they are not prepared correctly, they can be bitter. Later, I'm going to make a video on how to cook terong balado. Terong balado uses a lot of eggplants. Watch this channel, Danny and Graham Go Cycling, for that one. Now, how do we remove the bitterness from eggplants? Stay tuned to find out.
She's talking about real eggplants here, not the type people use in emojis.
Don't listen to him. I hope you enjoyed the video. I have also made an Indonesian version. The link is below. Saya juga sudah bikin dalam bahasa Indonesia. Linknya di bawah ini. Check it out. Don't forget to watch Danny and Graham Go Cycling for the upcoming terong balado recipe. It's delicious. Bye for now.